Mechanics call it the silent engine killer, the blown head gasket. It doesn't always fail suddenly, but when it does, the damage is devastating. The good news is there are 5 clear signs you can watch for, and in this video, I'll show you exactly what they are and what to do about each one. Now here are the early warning signs and fixes of a head gasket that is about to go bad or fail. Starting with number 5, overheating engine. The first and most noticeable symptom is often an overheating engine. Temperature control is impossible if a gasket leaks, allowing coolant to escape or combustion gases to enter the cooling system. The temperature indicator will start to rise toward the red, and you may even see steam coming from beneath the hood. Immediately stop driving, check the coolant levels and let the engine cool. Have a mechanic check the system for leaks if the overheating continues. Replacing the gasket is usually inevitable. We have a video on how to replace the head gasket. I will leave the link in the description below, so do check it out. Number 4, discolored, milky oil. Coolant is combined with the oil if it appears frothy and when inspected under the oil cap or with a dipstick. This mixture can result in significant internal wear and deprives the engine of adequate lubrication. Stop operating a vehicle, flush the system, change the filter, and drain the tainted oil. To avoid more engine damage, only use clean oil to refill after the gasket problem has been fixed. Number 3, exhaust white smoke. Coolant seeping into the combustion chamber, where it burns with fuel and air, is indicated by thick, white smoke that frequently has a pleasant scent. One of the most well-known indicators of a blown head gasket is this. To be sure, run a combustion gas or chemical block test. The only option is probably to replace the gasket if the smoke persists after startup. Okay, one more thing. White smoke sign is not always a head gasket issue. I will recommend you watch the video linked in the description where I cover other common causes of white smoke coming from the exhaust. Now moving on to number 2, coolant depletion without outside leaks. Coolant may be leaking into the engine or cylinders if you keep adding more and don't notice any leaks beneath the vehicle. Coolant loss that goes unnoticed is a warning indicator. To find the internal leak, perform a pressure test or a combustion leak test. Early detection could prevent further damage to the cylinder head, water pump, and radiator. Number 1, subpar engine operation. Rough idling, misfires, power outages, or stalling might result from a poor gasket that allows gases to escape between cylinders. This occurs as a result of compression leaking rather than promoting healthy combustion. Run a leak down or compression test. The gasket between the cylinders has probably failed if one or more of them exhibit low pressure. White exhaust smoke, milky oil, overheating, concealed coolant leak, and poor performance are the 5 most typical indicators of a burst head gasket. Even while some additives promise short-term solutions, they rarely work in the long run. A complete gasket replacement is the most dependable option. This should ideally be done by a qualified mechanic. In addition to saving your engine, taking early action will shield your wallet from expensive repair fees. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe. Also, before you go, check out this video on 15 signs of internal engine damage. It'll help you understand what to look for if a blown head gasket has already started causing bigger problems under the hood that could lead to engine failure. I'll see you there.